Hello my PC students. We have another video, and this one again is working with your total sales and your average sales. So let's go to File, let's go to Open, and go to Browse, and now we want to go to your Classes drive, go to PC, go to Teaching Documents, and open up the one called Dunkirk9. Okay, Sales Analysis. Alright, so now once again looks like we have Arial, so click in cell A1, and this time I'm going to make sure that I'm definitely wide enough. So I'm going to tell you to go to H29 and make it Calibri size 12. Okay, alright, and let's go to View, and let's go to Zoom, and let's go to, I'm going to go to 150%, I think it'll work. Oh, just barely. I'll go back to Zoom and I'll put it to 140. Okay, so now we have the north, the south, the east, and the west. That's what that stands for, region. We have cover 9087 and we have cover 9088. Here are the units sold. So what are our total sales? So equals, and we have to take the units sold times the price, which is $11.50, and of course that has to be absolute, so press F4 to make it absolute. And now grab your fill handle and drag down. Alright, now cover number 9088, we want to say equals, take 720 times the cover price, $13.11, and it has to be absolute, so press enter and grab your fill handle and drag down. Okay, now the dollar sign repeated, we don't want that. So we're going to go here, control key down, and here. So I've selected all, right click, format cells, and I want accounting, but no dollar sign. Alright, remember you only have the dollar sign at the beginning of the column, at the beginning. But there's no totals yet, so there's no dollar signs. Now, the units sold should be accounting format. So go to Format Cells, and you want accounting, and you want no dollar sign, but 0 decimal places. Now watch it jump. You'll see. There, did you see how it jumped over? So now you've got the right setup there. Alright, first of all, it says the grand totals. Okay, so the grand totals then would be equals the sum of, first of all, this is units sold, so I would have this, and I want to put in a comma and have these units. So the grand total would be 3,308. Alright, and now I can take this and drag it straight across here, and note I haven't got a dollar sign, so I'll go here and I will go to Home, go to my Format Painter, and make sure that I've got my dollar sign. So now you see that I have the sum for the total sales for both products, and here I've got the sum of the units sold, the grand totals. Alright, save your work. And I believe, yes, there's a totals here. I should have had a total in here. So here I would go Alt equals, and there's my total for just product 9087, and again I can drag this across. And now I want the totals for canvas number 2. I'm going to put a blank row in here just so that this looks better or easier for you to see. So my totals here would be Alt equals, press enter, and I would grab my fill handle and drag it over. Now I need my dollar sign, so double click on my paintbrush. There's my dollar sign for my total, dollar sign for my total, and there's my grand totals and my grand number of units sold. Okay, the average units sold for all regions, okay, would be equals average, open your parentheses, and again you want the units sold because it's for all regions, okay, and comma, and then I want the units sold for the second product, and we get 414. Now the average sales for the regions would be equals average, open my parentheses, and here's my sales for the 4 regions, comma, and there's my sales for product 2. And there's my total grand average for all the regions. Alright, so once again, that was very easy for you. We will save your work, and we haven't done that, so let's go File, Save As, and we want to go to your folder. So we want to go to your name, you want to go to Print.com, and you want to go to Excel. Click in the file name box, press Home, type in your first name and your current date, and then save it. Alright, that's good, and as I say, the headings are left for you to do, and so are the headers and footers. We'll stop there.